Jean Tinguely was a Swiss sculptor born May 22, 1925, and died August 30, 1991. Tinguely was associated with the Nouveau Realisme group. His art, which he had called mathematics, was to symbolize the absurdity of humanity's reliance on technology. Tinguely was noted for his machine-like kinematic sculptures that destroy themselves in the course of their operation. When Tinguely moved to Paris in 1953, he began to create kinetic sculptures that he named métamechaniques, or metamechanicals. They were described as robot-like, made out of wire and sheet metal. Some parts moved or spun at various speeds. In the late 1950s, Tinguely created a series of sculptures called machines à peindre, painting machines, where these robots continuously painted pictures of abstract patterns to the accompaniment of self-produced sounds and noxious odors. At the first Paris Biennale in 1959, Tinguely set up his 8-foot-long painting machine that produced more than 40,000 paintings for visitors who inserted a coin into the slot. In the late 1960s, Tinguely wanted to explore the concept of dematerialization within his art. He created his first large self-destroying machine titled Homage to New York, where it was demonstrated in the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. However, the machine had its complications where motors and wheels failed to operate, leaving the machine to not destroy itself properly. It ended up starting a fire that the New York City firemen had to put out. Luckily, Tinguely's next two machines performed successfully, titled Study for the End of the World. He had used explosives to detonate these machines. Between the late 1960s and 1970s, Tinguely transitioned to playful kinematic constructions that united aspects of machines with found objects. Aggressive constructions had phased out, and Tinguely was also known for his use of spectator participation, where spectators would partially control or influence the movement of machines. Jean Tinguely's art was a satirical commentary over the overproduction of material goods within an advanced industrial society. Tinguely wanted to express the idea that both life and art were made up of continuous change, movement, and instability, whilst refuting the static art of past generations.